Hi, my name is Alan Diwan. I'm the owner and chef of Kashmir Indian Restaurant Budapest. We are here on behalf of Expat Village. The dish now we're going to be preparing is called Paneer Masala. In the meanwhile, I want to chop my paneer to nice little cubes. So there's many ways to use this paneer. Sometimes you can just fry them in hot oil before adding it to the masala, and that does impart an extra flavor to the paneer, but it does absorb some oil as well. So if you are looking for the healthier version, just add it directly as we're going to do now, and if you're looking for a slightly more tastier version, then you can go for frying your paneer before adding it to the masala. So we're going to cut it into small cubes about this size.